Hello, everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we will look at the multiple choice questions in chapter 19 of the Java book. Let's look at the first question. Which of the following statements is correct? A, generics can help detect type errors at compile time, thus make programs more robust. Yes. Generics can make programs easy to read. Yes. Generics can avoid cumbersome casting. Yes. Generics can make programs run faster. No. Next question. Fill in the code in comparable. So this is date. So that should be date here. Suppose array list double list, new array list. Which of the following statements are correct? So this is at a primitive data type value 5.5. 5.5 is automatically converted into a double. So that's right. 3.0, same thing. And this is list that get 0. So that's a double, that's fine. And list that get 1, it's a double, it's a auto unbox into a primitive data type value. Next, suppose here we have this list, new array list. Which of the following operations are correct? You can, yes, you can add anything here, any type, raw type. It's a raw type. Add this and add an integer. So this is okay. So you can also add integer, and this is at date, and this is at another array list. So this is all fine. Next question. Suppose list string, and here is array list of string. Which of the following operations are correct? So you can add a string. No, you cannot add a number, date, another array. No. Next question. To declare a class named A with a generic type, so you can use one generic type. So this is the A. So this is 2. No, this is not right. This is the one. To declare a class named A with 2 generic types. So this is going to be B. To declare an interface A with a generic type, use public interface. This is A. Next, to declare an interface A with 2 generic types, use this B. Next question, to create a list to store integers, use this integer list. Next question, the method header is left blank right here. Fill in the header. So this is the method is print. So here, public static void. So you can print anything. So it's you can use this, or it's any object. I think this is D and E. Both are correct. So we're going to check it after we finish all these questions. Next question, to create a generic type bounded by number, use E extends number. So that's the one here is this A. Which of the following statements are correct? Here, comparable string, and you create a new string, and this is a string, that's fine. So this is integer, so you get the integer. This is double, you get a double. Looks like all correct. Next question here. Fill in the most appropriate code in the two blanks in the following classes here. Implements what? My int here. Oh, this is going to be implements comparable here. And this right here is because you're going to compare with another my int. So it needs to be B. Next question. Which of the following declarations use raw type? So here, no, this is specific type, this specific type, but this is D here. If you use the Java, and here is actually should be the dash. So this is the dash here. Excellent. Unchecked, and this command to compile a program that contains raw type. What would the compiler do? So you're going to report, the compiler is going to report a warning and generate a class file. So this is going to report a warning. So this is the one here. The program will compile, but to just receive a warning here. So let's look at the next one. Is this array list integer a subclass of this? No, although this integer subtype of object, but the whole thing here is not a subtype of array list object. Next question. Which of the following can be used to replace? So here we have the code here, and we can replace it. And this here. So look here, we are going to have the stack 1 is string and stack 2 is object. I'm going to add everything from stack 1 to the stack 2. So here, stack 2, everything from, so here is add into stack 2. And so what we need to have, this one here has to be a super type of this T. So it's going to be B. Which of the following can be used to replace this here in the foreign code? Now we have this, we're going to have this as the add. So you can use this is the stack 2, stack 1, add things from stack 1 to stack 2. So for this stack 1 and this, no, they cannot be the same type of string object. So this is A is not right. And B is okay. So this is a subtype of T. So that's correct. And now this one also is correct. So the second one here, this is super type of T. And this is, and here, this one right here, it's also okay. You can have any object here. So because this is object right here. So that's also correct. So next question, is array list integer a subtype of this? Yes. So because this is anything, so that should be yes. Is array list integer a subtype of this anything extends number? Yes, that's also true. And is array list the number is a subtype of this anything extends number? Yes, that's also true. And next question here, is array list the question mark? Is anything, is this question mark extends object? So this is happens to be also true. Does this question mark super number represent a super class of number? Yes, that's right. Next question. Array list string and array list integer are two types. This is two types, string here, integer. Does the JVM load two classes of array list? This, no, they actually load the same class, no. Which of the following statements are true? Generic type information is present at a compile time, right? Generic type information is not present at runtime, that's correct. You cannot create an instance using a generic class type parameters. You cannot, yes, that's no, you cannot. You cannot create an array using a generic class type parameter. You cannot create an array using a generic class. That's all, this are all true. The last question, if E is a generic type for a class, can E be referenced from a static method? No. All right, I'm going to check all the answers now. Oh, everything is correct. Okay, so everything is correct. All right, that's all for the multiple choice questions in chapter 19 of the Java book. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.